Your phone could be watching you right now, and the scary part is you might never notice it. You don't need to open the camera app, press the shutter button, or even unlock your phone for certain apps and system features to request camera access. While Android and iPhone include security protections, apps with camera features or camera permissions can still access your camera when allowed. And if you aren't paying attention to your privacy settings, you could be giving away far more access than you realize. Today I'm going to show you how to uncover hidden camera permissions, identify suspicious apps, and lock down your phone so you stay in complete control of your privacy. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will know settings that most smartphone users never check. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. And on this channel, I share simple tech tips, privacy tricks, and hidden smartphone features that help you stay safer online. Now, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is inspect the permissions your camera app has. Open your phone's settings and scroll down until you find apps or app management depending on your device. Use the search bar and type camera. Then open the camera app information page. Tap on permissions. You'll probably see permissions such as camera, microphone, photos and videos, location, nearby devices, and notifications. These are the permissions most people recognize, but don't stop here because there's often more information available. Tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner if your phone has one, and look for an option like all permissions or additional permissions. This page gives you a more detailed view of what the app is allowed to do. You may also notice network-related permissions. While network access alone does not mean your phone is spying on you, it does allow apps to communicate over the internet, which is one reason you should only use trusted camera and editing apps from reputable developers. Next, return to the camera app information page and look for change system settings or modify system settings if your device includes that option. If the camera app doesn't genuinely need this permission, then disable it. I know many of you amazing viewers are for using Samsung, Xiaomi, Vivo, Oppo, etc. The exact settings vary from manufacturer to manufacturer, so don't worry if your phone looks a little different. Just search and you will find the setting. The goal is simply to remove unnecessary privileges that you don't need here. Now, let's prevent unnecessary background activity. Back on the camera app information screen, tap Battery. Many phones offer choices such as restricted, optimized, and unrestricted. If restricted is available and camera works normally afterwards, selecting it can reduce unnecessary background activity and help save battery life. Remember, the camera should mainly be active when you intentionally open it. One of the best privacy tools built into Android is the Privacy Dashboard. For that, open your settings, then go to Security and Privacy or Privacy, depending on your phone. Open the Privacy Dashboard or Permission Manager. Change the timeline to the last 7 days if available, and select Camera. You will see which apps accessed your camera and when. Take a careful look through the list. Ask yourself whether you actually opened those apps at those times. If something seems unexpected, investigate further before assuming the worst. Tap the app, review its permissions, and if it doesn't need camera access, change it to Don't Allow. Another important step is checking for apps with elevated administrative control. Some legitimate apps, including parental control software, workplace management tools, or anti-thief services, may request device administrator access because they need additional privileges. However, if an unfamiliar app receives this permission, it deserves your attention. For that, go to your settings, open Security or Privacy and Security. Then scroll down to more security and privacy if available, and look for device admin apps or device administrators. Review every app on the list carefully. If you find one you don't recognize, then you are certain you didn't install it intentionally. Deactivate its administrator access first, then uninstall it from your device. And also remember that spyware is most commonly installed by someone who has physical access to your phone. So keeping your device locked with a strong PIN, password, or biometric authentication is another essential layer of protection. Finally, make it a habit to review your installed apps every few weeks. Delete anything you no longer use. Keep your operating system updated. Install apps from only trusted stores and avoid granting permissions unless they're truly necessary for the app to function. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications so you never miss future tech tips, privacy guides, and smartphone tutorials. And before you go, make sure to watch my previous video titled Google Cleverly Tracks Your Phone, Secretly Installed by Developers. In that video, I reveal how hidden developer features and Google services can quietly collect information from your device, what data they can access, and simple settings that you can do to take back your privacy. If you're serious about protecting your phone, that video is a perfect companion to this one, so be sure to check this out after you have done watching this one. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.